Here you go, folks. This is the snap pea recipe everybody's been asking me for. Super easy. I do this a lot of demos and classes, and people are just blown away. But again, it's so easy. We just coated everything with peanut oil. You can use olive oil as well. We're gonna go ahead, put it in a cast iron pan, of course. Throw it on high heat. We've got the Sidekick up on high heat. And we're just gonna brown it up. Remember, when we add color, it adds flavor. So we're just gonna start to brown it up a little bit. After that, we'll salt and pepper and serve it. I normally just salt and pepper this, but I think today we'll do a little kick and rub on there. Oh, nice color on there. Man, those aren't my mama's snap peas. Those are good. Of course, my mama's were good too. I'm gonna put a little bit more salt though. Boom. Those are ready. If you guys are liking these videos, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you guys later.